Number 9. Miss Green was very fat. She weighed 100 kilos, and she was getting heavier every month. So she went to see her doctor. He said, "You need a diet, Miss Green, and I've got a good one here." He gave her a small book and said, "Read this carefully and eat the things on page 11 every day. Then come back and see me in 2 weeks' time." Miss Green came again 2 weeks later, but she wasn't thinner, she was fatter. The doctor was surprised and said, "Are you eating the things on page 11 of the small book?" "Yes, doctor," she answered. The next day, the doctor visited Miss Green during her dinner. She was very surprised to see him. "Miss Green," he said, "why are you eating potatoes and bread? They aren't in your diet." "But, doctor," Miss Green answered, "I ate my diet at lunchtime. This is my dinner."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Why did Miss Green go to see her doctor? Number 2. How did the doctor try to help her? Number 3. Did she get thinner? Number 4. Did she eat the things on page 11 of the book? Number 5. Why didn't she get thinner?